What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's M. Williams at Sugar Salon TV. And I'm doing an amino acid treatment on this beautiful young lady with a ton of hair. I just finished shampooing her. And so now I'm just kind of detangling a little bit as I comb through it. And I'm going to start applying the treatment. Now it normally comes in like a pump bottle. But for whatever reason, the pump doesn't ever work correctly on there. So I just put it in a spray bottle and I'm just saturating the hair with it, kind of not overly saturating it, but just putting it in there and just combing it through. And the amino acid is a non-chemical treatment. It's great for people of all ages. Wonderful for natural hair, makes the hair grow. It can last up to 4 months, usually 3 or 4 months max, and it washes out, shampoos out over time. Again, it's a non-chemical treatment, great for anti-reversion, meaning that when you come in and get it, we have to press it in there to seal it in. The heat from the flat iron will seal it in to the hair cuticle layer. And it's just great for anti-reversion, meaning that when you get your hair pressed, it'll stay straight longer. Also meaning that your hair will be more manageable. And this young lady has been getting the treatment for quite a while, and it's great and really healthy for the hair. And I've been using it for many years. I know over 7 years. So anyway, you guys, I just want to introduce this video. So I'm getting ready to blow dry. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And amino acid treatment, again, is a non-chemical treatment, excellent for the hair. So I'm going to let you watch this video and enjoy some wonderful music. You guys stay blessed. And I'll see you on my next video.
People make time for what they want. You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I ain't gonna sit around waiting for you. Got a million other things I gotta do. Got a gig and a script that I'm taking my time with. Then I got signers, publishing got me thriving. I can't let a flake come and kill my mood. Don't even say a thing, don't act a fool. Ain't no need for arguments, I get back to my shining. Back to my grinding, you're ruining my timing. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Any people still around me think I'm fly. I'm in your head, I got you feeling guilty. Your word is flimsy, nothing you say is real, see. Before I was stupid, I stay up and lose it. Was making excuses, I thought it was ruthless, but had to go through it. I had to learn how to see it myself. Now I got the experience under my belt. So don't hit up my cell, you can give it up, pack it up. You and that selfish love, go and bother someone else. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. People make time for what they want. So if you ain't gonna call me, then don't front. You ain't gotta lie or waste my time. Plenty people still around me think I'm fly. I let it slide. Let go, let go, let go. friends are we? Said it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. Maybe these nights on the phone are just as far as it's going. Guess it really ain't crossed my mind. Crossed my mind. I could be wasting a day with you unless you found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? And everything falls into place. When it's all up in the air and innocent, touching on my leg, you ain't in different. What we doing here ain't nobody's business. It's all sweet, but it tastes like cinnamon. But you won't say what's on your mind. Don't gotta say what you think I like, 'cause you're what I like, yeah. I could be wasting a day with you unless you found with me. The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? And everything falls into place. It's not one thing that you do, but time is precious, wanna spend it with you. You know it's good if you wanna come through. Get in my space, make you wanna stay. Everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? And everything falls into place. And everything falls into place. Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you all mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. Need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. Yeah. These days, I don't really care for all that empty conversation. Nah, nah. These days, I don't care for competition. You're the one that's racing. Nah, I don't really wanna talk about what I got coming out next. I'm not showing up to one up just to show up.